Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today I'm coming live to share with you the 5 interesting rules which can help you to score an exemption in the upcoming examination. Friends, this is not something I'm preparing randomly. Results have come just a few days back, and friends, lot of students have scored exemption. In fact, out of the 100 plus students who messaged me, 95% of them have actually scored an exemption in AFM. Many of them have also become chartered accountants. I'm extremely happy for all of you who have done really great in the examination. Friends, these 5 rules are practically proven. I'm doing this from the last 15 years. So I'm telling this from my past 15 years experience that all these 5 rules are equally important. If you follow all the 5, I can assure you that you can easily score even 70 plus in the examination unless they give an extreme atom bomb exam paper. All right. Now, I request you all, if you find this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends and watch it till the end, because the 5th rule is the fastest way of scoring an exemption out of all the 5 rules. Rule number 1, I am providing a free mentorship program for all the attempts. This is mainly done for my past students, but then also others can join for this. What happens in this mentorship program is that I will give you a weekly study plan. You study that topic in that particular week, write down the questions, work it out one time. By doing so, I am focusing on completing the topic. Not only this, once you do these assignments, automatically week by week, little by little, when you complete, by the time it is December 15, you will actually finish your entire AFM revision. That way you can score very good marks in the exam. And friends, when the results came, many students messaged me and told me this, that the mentorship program was very useful. It was helping them to stay focused and get better marks in the exam. Rule number 2 is write down the MCQ. Friends, every Sunday, I am conducting a free MCQ for all of you. Friends, please respect the effort that we are taking here, because I am preparing an MCQ exam in my app. It contains 50 questions of each chapter. Last week, it was portfolio management. This exam is beautifully designed. So when you do this, it's not only studying, you're writing the MCQ, and when your exam gets over, on the spot, you're getting the marks over there also. That actually helps you to boost your confidence, and you're actually testing your limits. You are able to know where you actually stand from an examination point of view. This feature is given to you free of cost. If any one of you wants this to access to this MCQ paper, just comment below. I will make sure that you get access to this, friends. So rule number 1, follow the study plan. Rule number 2, write down your MCQs consistently, whether you prepare, you don't prepare. The biggest feature of the MCQ is that suppose you write down the first time, you don't get very good marks, you can retake attempt. That way you will know how much you have improved every time you take an MCQ, friends. It's a 2-hour exam every Sunday, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. If you are unable to do it that point of time, you can do it later on also. Please respect this effort, because it's very difficult to create these question papers, analyze them, and upload it for your benefit. So I request you all to take maximum, utilization of these efforts that I'm taking over here. Rule number 3, work out the mastery book questions at least one time. Mastery book covers the last 10 years question paper. It covers the last 10 years RTP, MTP, and it contains around 500 questions. The advantage is the way ICI study material solves it, it becomes very tricky. I have solved it using a very simple method: basic data, analysis, conclusion. Many students who got exemption messaged and told me this, that this book was one of the reasons why they were able to score an exemption in the AFM paper. Please get this book. In case you want this book, comment below. I will arrange the link for all of you so that you can buy either the ebook or the hard copy book. It's a very good book, beautifully designed, along with QR code. What happens in the QR code is that if you are reading a particular concept, you are not able to understand the concept, you just scan the QR code and the video class of the same thing will start playing. Friends, that way, instead of investing a lot of money on the video lectures, you just have to buy the mastery book, and this mastery book will give you video lectures along with the conceptual thing, and with concept problems and advanced level problems also. Once you do this 500 questions, I can assure you one thing, easily you can score 60 plus in the upcoming exam. Rule number 4 is after the mastery book, you should do the ODBE book. What is the full form of ODBE? One day before the examination. One day before the exam, you cannot do 500 questions. That is where people who can do limited questions having maximum coverage gets value. ODBE book is just that. Many students last attempt got 50 plus and 60 plus also by only studying the ODB book, and it contains only 150 questions, friends. Only 150 questions. But this 150 question covers 95% of your syllabus. Isn't that amazing? So, after you do the mastery book, do the ODB book so that one day before the exam, you will not have time to touch the mastery book. At that time, you can just focus on the ODBE book. Everybody clear with this part, friends? Last and the most important rule is for those students who want to quickly complete the entire AFM. Friends, the fastest way to score an exemption from my past 15 years of experience is attending my 12 days intensive batch that is going to happen at Kochi on November 17th. When you sit and study alone, you might procrastinate, you might lose focus, you might start thinking about other things. But these 12 days, my classes will be from morning 8 to evening 6:30 or 7. Every day, you have to get up, you have to come and sit in my class. In 12 days, we complete the entire syllabus. Ask any of my past students, entire syllabus. And we do the major mastery book questions also. Remaining questions will be given to you by way of homework. And video lectures on the same will also be provided to you. So now what happens is, after you invest these 12 days, you have to sit for only extra 5 days. In 17 days, the whole AFM is over. That means you save that time, which you can use it for other papers such as FR, audit, or if you're writing group 2 also. This is the fastest way how people have scored marks. It's both online and offline, but you have to invest your time in this. So, friends, these are the 5 rules. Follow the mentoring study plan, write the MCQ, study the mastery book, do the ODB book, and if possible, attend the 12 days intensive marathon. Then I promise you, easily you can score 60 plus, and AFM will be one paper with which you will be able to set off some fallen marks which can happen either in FR or in audit. Thank you so much, everyone. Do well. I am with you. Let's study together. Let's win together. Thanks a lot.